Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension, which is called Darknes. Darknes is the extension specifically designed for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that Darknes provides dark mode for simple pages. In other words, this extension may help you switch the theme of the visited websites into the dark theme. However, this extension actually operates as adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the great portion of intrusive advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of the screen. These ads are multiple and not really decent, so you should do something to deactivate these ads. Go to the menu, go to more tools, choose extensions, so disable this extension and remove it completely. This should fix the issue very well, but I would also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best solution to get it is on the website, the official page combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner antivirus through this official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching and investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.